Hey guys, it's me Marvellous Maahin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to make sweet and sour chicken. And before we get started, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel with post notifications on. Ingredients you will need are boneless chicken pieces, corn flour, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, ketchup, oil, egg white, soy sauce, bell pepper, sesame seeds, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper. Now let's get started. First off, before we get started, we have to make sure we wash our hands properly. Step 1. Make the fried chicken. To make the fried chicken, all we will do is mix together boneless chicken pieces, half a cup of corn flour, salt and pepper. Step 2. Fry the chicken. To fry the chicken, we will dip the chicken into the egg white and let it fry in the frying pan. When they look golden, crispy and cooked, then they are ready to be taken out. Step 3. Chop up the bell pepper. Step 4. Make the sweet and sour sauce. To make the sweet and sour sauce, all we will do is add in oil, garlic, ginger, bell pepper, soy sauce, brown sugar, ketchup, corn flour and water and mix it together well. So this recipe that I'm making is called sweet and sour chicken, and it is a Chinese dish. When all the ingredients are mixed in, add in the fried chicken and some sesame seeds. When the chicken is all mixed into the sauce, it's ready to be served. Add some more sesame seeds. And boom, there you have it, your very own sweet and sour chicken. Thank you so much for watching my video, and once again, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel with post notifications on. Thank you!